Hare Krishna. Somehow, by Minister Prabhu's mercy, I got initiated, and he is the one, in fact, who has given me an opportunity. All thanks to His Grace Minister Prabhu. I am ever indebted to him. Hare Krishna.
On this auspicious day, I would like to pray at the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada to give Minister Prabhu still more strength and still more help in terms of devotees so that he can execute Prabhupada's mission in a very great way. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
You're so open. You don't hide anything in your mind. So whatever is there, you just speak openly so that it helps us to correct. You're like a spiritual brother, a guide for us. And we are so charged when you speak to us and give lectures. Always want to have your association. And please forgive us for all the silly mistakes and all the things we have done. So we are all children crawling in devotional life. Thank you so much. I pray to Krishna and Srila Prabhupada and Guru Maharaj that they give you a long, long life, and let this 108 times yajna of this Bhagavad Gita session spread worldwide, and let's make a lot of devotees. And you are our captain leading us. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Happy Krishna conscious birthday. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna to dear Prabhuji. Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Dandavat pranams. Please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to you. All glories to our Guru Maharaj and all glories to Srila Prabhupada. Happy Krishna consciousness birthday, dear Prabhuji. May Lord Krishna bless you abundantly with good health and happiness always. Many more happy Krishna consciousness returns of the day. So I am ever grateful to you for giving me this opportunity to do this seva, reaching seva, and helping me to grow spiritually. Thank you so much for everything. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Dandavat pranam. Please accept my humble obeisances. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna. Namanishta is his name because he is very strict in chanting. He very strictly chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. His name indicates itself that he's about his chanting. So from that time itself, I know him, and very knowledgeable person. I am very grateful to him about this service that I got. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Prabhu, I don't know what to say. I don't know what would have happened had we not met you. 18 years back, when we met you, it actually transformed our lives. I and my family are ever eternally indebted to you. We don't know who's Krishna, we don't know who's Prabhupada, but just because of your mercy, we are able to get a little glimpse. So thank you so much, Rameshwar Prabhu. I don't know, for generations to come, we are ever indebted to you, Prabhu. Thank you so much, Prabhu. I can't even express what you've done for us. Thank you so much, Rameshwar Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
It's really a privilege and honor to have Prabhuji as our mentor. Prabhuji has given us an opportunity to spread this Krishna consciousness amongst the entire Indians and entire world. So it's an opportunity for us to wish him Namanishta Prabhuji and Krishna consciousness birthday. So let's all work towards the vision of this Namanishta Prabhuji so that the Krishna consciousness message spreads across the globe. Hare Krishna.
It is a great privilege for me to associate with the ISKCON Mangalore and above all as a teacher. You only made me. So with the gratitude, I just wish you a very Krishna conscious day. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Namanishta Prabhuji. Happy Krishna Consciousness Day. Under your guidance, we got an opportunity to get associated with the ISKCON Mangaluru Temple as a faculty. It's a lifetime achievement for us. So, all the spiritual blessings, and yes, blessings of Lord Krishna, that under your guidance we are able to move this, take this movement forward. So we are blessed to be associated with you. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Ramadeshwar Das Prabhuji. We are really blessed to have you with us, and thank you for mentoring us. We are having association of such a great devotee. That is our privilege only. And happy Krishna conscious birthday, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I'm associated with ISKCON from last year October as a devotee. I joined 18 days program. Currently, I'm handling 2 batches. I've handled kids batches. So this is how I have gotten into Krishna consciousness. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, happy Krishna Conscious Day, and it's indeed an honor and privilege to be wishing you on this day. You have inspired and motivated many on the spiritual path, and I wish you the best to inspire and motivate many more to come in the many years to come. Hare Krishna, and I'm really fortunate to be associated with you on this day. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
We are really blessed to have you as our mentor, and we are growing day by day and having new realizations each day as we are promoted to teachers also. We would like to wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
Hare Ram,
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
Hare.
Happy Krishna consciousness
Happy Krishna
birthday,
conscious birthday,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.